Hi everyone, thank you for joining me here at Cotty Tap on Styling for part 3 of my series on fit and tailoring. Today I am going to talk to you about how to get a better fitting menswear wardrobe. As I have previously said, there are about 90% of us who have some sort of fit issue when buying clothes right off the rack. Today, I'm going to share some tips and tricks with you on how to get that better fitting wardrobe. So stay tuned through the end of the video to hear what those are. All right, gentlemen, let's get started. When trying on clothes, there are a few things to keep in mind. However, the most important thing to remember is proportion. I see this a lot when I am cleaning out the closets of male clients. Remember this when you are trying on clothes in the store. You do not want an item of clothing to overtake that part of your body. So, a few things to remember are you do not want the hem of a pair of pants to pull up around your shoe. Keep the hem of your shorts above your knee so that your legs look longer. If you're going to wear your shirt untucked, make sure that the hem of the shirt does not go past the middle of the zipper on your pants. And the shoulder seam or armhole seam of a shirt should sit right where mine is sitting here. You don't want it to go down your arm. Otherwise, it just looks oversized and sloppy and ill-fitting. The second thing to think about is the shape of your body. Many different clothing brands now are offering different fits. So you could walk into a store and see what looks like 3 identical pairs of pants, but they actually all fit completely differently. There are typically 3 different types of fits. A lot of stores are doing what is called an athletic fit, which has more room in the butt and the thigh. A tailored fit, which is basically just a slim cut, and a relaxed fit or a straight cut. And they are also doing the same thing with shirts. So you're getting cuts that are a slimmer fit in the shirt or cuts that have more room. And the third thing to think about when trying on clothes are the basic points of measure. Here is my man friend to show you what those are. They are neck circumference, shoulder width, chest circumference, arm length, waist circumference, and inseam. Knowing these and knowing if you have one of these points of measure that may be slightly out of proportion with the rest of your body could be really helpful when you go to try on clothes. If you have broader shoulders or maybe your arms are a little bit longer, you'll know that you need to try on a larger size shirt. Then you can take this shirt and have the excess in the torso taken out by a tailor. And that moves us along to our next topic, tailoring. Once you've made your purchases or you have pulled a few pieces from your closet that need some work, I know you have a few, everybody does, it's time to find a good tailor. Ask around, get some recommendations from somebody that you trust. Do not just take your clothes to any old place that says they do alterations. Once you've found a place to go to, bring your clothes in, Show them what it is that you want them to work on and ask if they can match the finishing of the original garment. Ask to see some of their work. They shouldn't mind showing it off to you. And make sure that they specialize in what it is you're bringing to them. Don't bring a suit coat in somewhere that, specializes in fixing sweaters or something like that. You're not going to be happy with the results. While you're there, you will try on all of your items of clothing and they will be pinned to you to make sure that the fit is correct. This is your opportunity to speak up. Make sure that you make any call outs of things that you are not comfortable with. And make sure that you are not getting too aggressive with removing anything extra. You can always have more taken out, but you can't really have more put back in. It doesn't really look right. The other thing to keep in mind here is cost. There are certain alterations that are relatively inexpensive, like redoing the hem on a pair of shorts or pants, or taking in the side seam on a shirt. However, there are other alterations that are really expensive, like revamping a suit. So keep that in mind when you're bringing things to the tailor. It may not be worth the cost to have those things done. You may just want to go and get a new suit, and some of those stores even offer complimentary tailoring on an item like that. Also, always remember to ask for the cost up front. You do not want to get a surprise when you get your clothes back. They've already done the work, so they're going to expect the money. And also, here again is my man friend to show us a few common alterations to keep in mind when trying on clothes if you have a consistent fit issue. They are pant and short hems, bringing them up, sleeve lengths, bringing them up, torso length, bringing it up, and bringing in the waist of a pair of pants or shorts. Thank you for joining me here at Kadi Taplin Styling. I hope that you enjoyed this video on how to get a better fitting menswear wardrobe. If you did and you found it helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe. And if you would like a more personalized fit session, then please go to my website, kaditaplinstyling.com, and book a personal fit session today. We can discuss all things related to you, your fit, and your personal style. And also, please make sure to comment and leave below any topics that you would like for me to cover in the future. Take care, be kind to each other, and make sure that you get yourselves into a great fitting wardrobe. You will look fantastic. Bye.